Okay, we're going to do this video about Google Sites. From anywhere in your Google account, you got the grid, go there, go down to Sites. You have some options here. You can see Create. If you go to Create, it'll say In Classic Sites or In New Sites. But here's another option right here that we're going to go for called New Google Sites. I'm going to take you to this window. It says click plus to create. Nothing's here. I'm going to go down here to the plus, create a new site. Here we go. So first thing, you can title your site. So we're going to title this one Module 8. Enter your site name. Module 8. Pretty simple. As far as that goes, that's how you get to your site. You create it, and that's that. So it's a good jump start to getting involved in sites. I've never done anything like this until um, I've owned my own personal business, and I use another thing to do it. But Google is really catching my attention with that, so I may go that way. So that's how you create a site. Grid, sites, new sites, boom, open.